Holy cow, crypto fam. Trump just dropped 2 Ripple bombs on Truth Social, and the XRP army is going absolutely crazy. But that's not all. We've got a major analyst predicting Wall Street giants will be begging to buy your Xrp. And let me tell you, after diving deep into these reports, my mind is completely blown by what's coming for Xrp. Let's break this down. What's up, everyone? Gold Rush here, and you're watching Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your #1 source for the hottest crypto news and analysis. If you're new here, welcome to the family. We cut through the noise to bring you the real insights that matter. Today's video is absolutely packed with game-changing developments for Xrp, so make sure to smash that like button and let's get straight into it. Let's start with this breaking news from the Crypto Basic. Former President Trump just shared not 1, but 2 posts about Ripple on Truth Social. Now, for those who might be new to the space, this is absolutely massive. Why? Because during his first term, Trump wasn't exactly crypto's biggest fan. Remember that "I am not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies" tweet? So this complete shift in attention is turning heads across the entire industry. Let's dig into what these posts actually mean. As you can see in the article, this isn't just random social media activity. These posts came right after some groundbreaking comments from Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse about the company's transformation since Trump's re-election. Check this out. Garlinghouse revealed something absolutely stunning. Following Trump's victory in November 2024, Ripple's U.S. business didn't just grow, it exploded. We're talking more U.S.-based deals in 6 weeks than they had in the previous 6 months. But here's what's really fascinating. Let's break down what this means for Ripple's business strategy. Before the election, Ripple was essentially forced to focus internationally. They had their hands tied in the U.S. market due to the SEC lawsuit. But now, 75% of their open positions are US-based. This is a complete reversal of their previous strategy. And for those who've been following Ripple's journey, you know how significant this is. This isn't just about hiring. It's about a fundamental shift in the American crypto landscape. Quick reminder to hit that subscribe button if you're loving this analysis. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's dive into what I believe is the most crucial part of this story. The potential regulatory implications. We're seeing some serious speculation about the SEC potentially withdrawing their appeal against Ripple. Look at this parallel they're drawing with the Binance case. The SEC has already shown they're willing to freeze proceedings and work towards settlements. But here's what many people are missing. This isn't just about Ripple. This could set a precedent for the entire crypto industry in the United States. Let's break down the current legal situation. First, we have Judge Torres's ruling that retail sales of Xrp weren't securities, huge win. Second, we've got the institutional sales ruling that needs resolution, and now, with these Trump posts, we're seeing potential signals of a shift in the regulatory wins. Think about it. If the SEC does withdraw their appeal, we're not just looking at a win for Ripple. We're looking at a complete paradigm shift in how digital assets are regulated in the United States. Now, let's switch gears and look at this explosive article from Times Tabloid about what Edo Farina, CEO of Alpha Lions Academy, just dropped on us. This is where things get really interesting for Xrp holders. Folks, what Farina is saying here isn't just about price prediction. It's about market psychology. He's pointing out how some investors are panicking over a 5% drop, while institutions are potentially preparing for massive entry positions. Looking at the current price action, Xrp at $2.54 with a 3.04% decrease. These small movements are causing retail investors to make emotional decisions. But here's what the smart money is doing. According to Farina, we're going to see Wall Street giants like BlackRock and Grayscale practically begging to get their hands on Xrp. Now, let's think about why this prediction holds weight. First, we've already seen BlackRock's impact on Bitcoin with their ETF. Second, institutions are actively seeking regulated crypto exposure. And third, Ripple's payment corridors are already being used by major banks worldwide. Look at what Silver Addict says here. Buy it, put it in cold storage, and wait patiently. This isn't just about holding. It's about understanding the long-term adoption curve of revolutionary technology. Now, let's talk about these massive price predictions. Farina's suggesting we could see Xrp hit $500. Is this realistic? Let's break it down. First, Consider the total addressable market of global remittances. We're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar industry. Second, factor in the potential for tokenized commodities on the Xrp ledger. Third, add in the institutional adoption we're potentially seeing signals of through Trump's posts. Within 5 years, PHONEIX predicts we'll see global adoption by banks and governments, gold and other commodities tokenized on the Xrp ledger, Ripple potentially becoming a multi-trillion-dollar company. But here's what really gets me thinking. If you combine these predictions with Garlinghouse's comments about the Trump effect on their business, we're looking at a perfect storm of adoption, regulation, and institutional interest. Let's put all these pieces together. 1. Trump's sudden interest in Ripple. 2. The dramatic increase in U.S. business deals. 3. Potential SEC settlement on the horizon. 4. Major institutions potentially preparing for entry. 5. Global adoption accelerating. Even with the current price at $2.54, we're seeing strong support levels forming. The recent 5% drop that scared some investors? That's nothing compared to the potential upside we're looking at. However, it's important to address the risks. Regulatory uncertainty still exists. Market volatility is a given. Institutional adoption timelines can be unpredictable. This is why I always stress the importance of proper position sizing and long-term thinking. As PHONEIX pointed out, those who sell based on small price movements might regret it later. Here are the key points you need to remember. 1. The regulatory landscape is potentially shifting in Ripple's favor. 2. Institutional interest is building. 3. Global adoption is accelerating. 4. Short-term price movements shouldn't shake your conviction if you believe in the long-term vision. If you're getting value from this deep dive analysis, make sure to obliterate that like button and share this video with your crypto buddies. The information we covered today could be game-changing for anyone interested in XRP's future. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest developments. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Trump's sudden interest in Ripple? Are you holding for the potential institutional wave? Let's get a discussion going. Quick but important disclaimer. Fam, everything we discussed today is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice, and the crypto market is highly volatile. Make sure to consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's deep dive, crypto family. If you enjoyed this analysis, check out my previous video on global crypto regulations, link in the description. This is Gold Rush, signing off. Catch you in the next one.